Oh, you don't know. Shot by. Look what getting on here. Sarnam cherry. Loaded.
Yeah, we can send you a market for sale.
You send me a bucket for sale? Okay. Use some water so you don't get dehydrated.
Wow, that's a lot of water.
Yeah. Goya. What the hell are you doing here?
Put some baking soda on the fish.
Baking soda? And then you're gonna squeeze the lemon on it?
Yeah. And now stick with that smell.
Nice.
And the rankiness like on them. I already have some lemon juice soapy fish already. So.
Well, there you have it, guys. And that smell is completely gone. If you guys didn't know, now you know. So baking soda and lime.
Lemon juice. Or lime juice.
But not juice. You need the regular lemon.
Yeah.
Not no concentrated stuff.
Fresh one.
Yeah, fresh lemon or lime with baking soda. Get rid of your fishy smell. Guaranteed. Oh, you don't know. Shot by. Look what getting on here. Sarnam cherry. Loaded.
Yeah, we can send you a market for sale.
You send me a bucket for sale? Okay. I think it's loaded everywhere, man. Well, yeah, I see them. I see the ripples them. A bunch of them, right? You look like a school. At school, I'm all at there, bhai. You buy that downstairs fast. You see a fish jump. How you get them there? You got done today or?
Yes. But afternoon time,
They might come up.
the fish are coming this guy here. So. You see one little jump. You see tilapia. You want some big snook like this somebody catch up.
Cool, ah.
We have catch up with snook season, but you know how many connected to this lake? 4.
Oh, so it is connected.
Yeah. One day behind that building.
Mm-hmm.
One day so he said I'm going to away.
Oh, on the other side there.
Probably here.
Because you look like you got that way, right? In that corner. Okay, guys, so we're in Burlington right here, and we're at 110, H110, and we're with Miss Vicky, and she's gonna make me some shrimp fried rice. Okay, Miss Vicky got some shrimp frying up, and then she got all her stuff. Yeah. She's so nice. I love her. She said me too. Yes. Smells delicious.
We gotta.
So I went to do some drywall in Miss Vicky's house in H106. No, 110.
110.
110, I'm sorry. And she made me some shrimps fried rice, homemade. So you know this is gonna be authentic. Let's try it out. Man, it smells good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Making me drool. Miss Vicky, thank you so much. So let's see this. Man, if this tastes good, she's gonna have to make me a lot more. Mm. Mm. If you think Chinese food is good, you gotta have the homemade Chinese food. Try shrimps with it. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wow. The man Michael Knight in the house. Yeah, guys, so we have another drywall project going on here. Ceiling, wall, HVAC area. This one is almost done. One more coat, sand in, clean up, and this one will be done. I'm mudding as we go. There's another spot. Okay, so this is my yard, right? We're gonna take a walk by the lake. Let's go by the lake.
I mean, a drive by the lake.
Oh, we're taking a drive by the lake. You gonna put on your seatbelt?
There's only 1 minute away.
Don't you see how much car there around here? How much cops and officers? That look good. Spring break in the house. Let's go. So it's been only 39 seconds, right, that we've been driving. And we're here already, but I'm gonna, okay, let's go here then. Fuck it. Let's go. So it's 1 minute, but I took my time. Boinky, 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 boinky. Kom hier bij, niet hier bij.
Half miss na niya kom.
Fuck, hibad mo rin mi ke here mi na kom. Hindi na gino na here kom. Boat agora.
I'll catch anything? I want to here, sir. 2.3 miles, 11 minutes. Wow.
Hey, what are you doing here? Look at that sexy hunk. Who's that guy? Going to the penthouse with Milada. I'm a team measure. Okay, so we got this bathroom here. This is where the tub is at. And then the stand-up showers over here. I'm here in Longboat Key working, and I would like to say big up to the man himself, Farmer Nigel, for helping me sponsor this new video, which is gonna be out May 15th or the 16th, right after Mother's Day is gonna be out, because I got a beautiful Mother's Day song. I would like to thank Farmer Nigel again for helping sponsor this video. If you would like to take part by helping sponsoring this video, hit me up, inbox me, call me. This is why I like to walk with my electric stove. Because I come outside and fry 2 fucking egg. Next time I come, I'm stuck in traffic like this, 2 fucking egg on the highway. We're in Sarasota and I have the man Bob. That's his new name, Bob Ram. The girl asked me what's your name in the hotel. I told her Bob. And here we got Mookie. We're doing some drywall, mudding. Beautiful area. Man, get a free beer, bye. Frying some tilapia. We're gonna put this on top of some nice cook-up with some nice achar. Boom.
And breadfruit on the side.
Breadfruit. And just like that, food is done and ready. Boom. I'm gonna eat this with some achar. Cook up rice with beef, stripe, chicken, red kidney beans, black eye, 2 pieces of breadfruit, and 2 nice pieces of fish, tilapia. Then we got this, some ketchup and pepper, piece of fried fish, breadfruit. Boom.